Hi everyone, Head Trendy USA back again. Another fishing shirt, trout salmon style fly fishing shirt. Fish on the front and the back, it's the same. Pretty cool. 4 sizes available, free cap, free postage, UK, USA, zip front. Lightweight microfiber, colours are impregnated into the material. They won't wash out. 4 sizes available, free postage, UK, USA. Check out my other products, my TikTok page. DM me, message, follow, like, share. If you have any questions, simply contact me. Remember, free cap, free postage, UK, USA. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye from USA Head Trendy.